Okay, today is Tuesday. Hi, honey. April 22nd. And Jack trying out his walker on our deck. Come on, Zoe, over here. Okay, Jack. Can you turn it around, sweet pea? Come on, over this way. Hi, honey. Come on. All right. Backing it up. Oh, that's good going forward. Yeah. You got it. Come on over here. See us. Okay, honey bunny. Let me come over and see if I can help. Can I help turn you around? Okay, sweetie. Turning around. Okay. Alright. Okay. Come on, Joe. Come on, honey. Oh, good job, Jack. Oh, this way. This way. This way, sweetheart. Come here. This way. Come on, honey. You can do it. Oh, good job. That's it. That's it. Hooray! Yay, Jack, you're doing it. Good job, honey. Hey, Jack. Come on. Come on. You got it. Whoa. Come get us. He's looking at Zoe. Come on, sweetheart. Okay, come on. He sees himself in the reflection of the front door. Over here, honey. Hey, Jack. 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 Honey, do you see yourself in the front door here? Can you see yourself in the reflection? Is that what's so funny? Hi. You want to come over here? Come on, Jack. Come over here, sweet pea. Hi. Come on over here. See me and Zoe. So as you can see, we're not great on the walker yet, but we're certainly making tracks. He really likes his reflection. Can you come over here, honey? Hey, Jack. Jack. Hi, honey. All right, you want to work on our high five? That'll catch us, but maybe. Hey, Jack. High five. Hey, Jack. Come here. Jack, high five. Yay! Jack, high five. Too much going on.